now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks. 1 minute. We got a new one. A Jordan 6 Hare. We usually get it on the Retro 7. I think personally the Retro 7s just look better for this particular colorway, but here it is. I think it's a perfect shoe for the summer for I don't know, I think it looks good in smaller sizes. I chose to pass for my size. Outsole is just a little too light for me. You can't be mad at the Jordan 6 Hare. You really can't be mad. Clear on the tongue. I don't know. It's just one of those things. I don't know if I can wrap my head around it. I'm such a OG when it comes to the 7 Jordan Hare. But hey, 6 Jordan Hare, not that bad.